In today's video, I'll teach you how to create to-do list on Notion. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in notion.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Notion. Click on this option, login, and you'll be logged in to your account. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Notion. Make sure you're logged into your account. So what you have to do is simply click on the page where you want to create the to-do list. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to access this particular page. Right over here, you'll have to enter the name. Simply enter the name over here. Now what you have to do is press enter. Now the empty page will be created. Now if you want to create the to-do list, what you have to do is simply enter / over here. Now after you do that, type in 2. Now you'll be able to see the filtered results over here. You can see the option for to-do list. What you have to do is click on it. Now after that, you'll be able to see the checkbox over here. So what you can do is start entering your list over here. Press enter. Now enter another point to be included in the list. Continue doing so. Now you can simply check on the check boxes. Now you can see over here it will be crossed. So like this you'll be able to create the to-do list. So that is how you create to-do list in Notion. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.